Just issued a SVA.
And the relative humidity was 10 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.64 inches and falling. Around central and western Illinois, at Macomb, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of 83. It was partly sunny with a temperature of 82 at Galesburg and 89 at Pontiac. It was cloudy with a temperature of 85 at Bloomington, 87 at Moline, and 84 at Lincoln. Under cloudy skies, Quincy reported 84, Springfield reported 86, and Lincoln reported 87. And once again at 5 p.m. in Peoria, under mostly sunny skies, the temperature was 84 and the heat index was 89. Looking elsewhere around the...
Here we go.
Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 345, effective until 1 a.m. Sunday. This watch includes the following counties.
That's where I
in
put the
Illinois:
SW
Fulton,
watch.
Knox,
Oh, I am.
Mason, McLean, Peoria, Putnam, Starr, Tazewell, and Woodford. Remember,
Sorry about the shakiness. I'm trying to get a good grip on this camera.
development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
There it goes. Severe thunderstorm watch. That's nice.